Okay, today we are going to put in this dash cover because I was looking for the spot to put the gauges, and I'm going to take this old one out. Basically, the light switch, this switch pushes in, turn it to the left and it pops off. It's got like a little spring loaded stopper thing inside. Undo this and then it should just pull out. Then in the back here, right in the back here, there's one screw that holds the dials onto the main dash of the car. So I struggled to get that yesterday. Let me see if I can show you this. See that screw poking out there? That basically is holding the dials onto the dash. And in this, just held on with two screws. One is this side and one is on the other side, which is out already. I disconnected the wiring for this already. I mean, it's positive, negative, boost. It goes to the boost gauge. This is for the rev counter, so nothing special there. Okay, let me pull this out quick and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so light switch is out. This one is the wiper switch. It sits there. It works exactly the same as the light switch. Push it in, turn it, and it pops out. It's got the same style nut. This was for your fan speed, not your aircon basically inside, but there's your fan in the back there. Oh, and then this just pops off easy. So now basically pull it out, tilt it forward, pull this off, and there you go. And then this is your main plug that plugs into here. That's for your dash lights and your warning lights and all of those things. And then obviously the speedo cable that goes into here, and you just tighten it up. Then here it is. So this black piece is separate from this, and then it has got two plastic lenses on top with two little rubber seals that's laying inside. Okay, so next we have to take all of this mess out. All of this stuff must come out because these two switches need to be gone for that other dash to fit. So basically it has a bolt like this on either side, and down there on either side the heater pipes is gone already. This gauge needs to come out, and yeah. Well, before I take this contraption out, let me take this gauge out first. It clips off there, shot into a different universe, same as that one. Then there you go, it's out. Now loosen this, and then this gauge will come out. This will wire into this as well for the light. Okay, so this is a number 10, also 10 millimeter. Okay, and then this should be a 8. And basically here it is, a ruined vent cover that I won't be able to sell because I cut a hole in it, but that's fine, not the end of the world. Okay, so the box is loose now. I just do wiggle it out somehow. How does this work? Oh, okay. Need to loosen these so this thing can come out, then the box should come out because these cables are holding it in place now. So, and I need to cut this. Yeah. Let me do that quickly. I think that's 13 more. My bad. Oh. Come on. Clearly they did not want this to come out easily. Because it broke. Now what? So with a little bit of persuasion with a hammer, I got it out. I don't know, maybe they tack welded this thing on here so the nut doesn't come undone, but I'm not going to use it again. Never going to put the system back, so this doesn't really bother me that much. Yeah, so let me slide this box out. Don't forget to cut this cable tie off, that red one over there. Then start cleaning up the mess and putting in the new dash cover. Okay, so when I did the wiring on this and I ran this cable, I ran it between the cables for these two levers. So now, without breaking this, come on. Anyway, basically, without breaking this off, I need to get it off there, or I need to pull out the bottom cable, which is this one, so I can get this out from in between them. So let me try that. Well, here it is. It's out. A little bit less elegantly the way I wanted to do it. I had to loosen those bolts and just move this thing over, but it's out at least. Let me tidy up this mess and then we can start putting in the gold dash cover. Right. So let's get it done. I'm gonna do this off camera. There's not really anywhere to put the camera and film it and work on it because there's not a lot of space inside here. So let me do it off camera quickly. So here it is. Neatened this mess up. Looks a lot better. I'm not gonna worry too much about this for now. There's not really much I can do with it anyway. Yeah, so basically we can start to assemble the other dash cover and then put it in. So flip the dash over. We put this little rubber gasket in there, line the lenses up properly, get this on here, line it up, and then the rest of the cluster. There we go. Here it is, complete. Basically, steering wheel's in the way, but exact same way it came out, went back in. Only thing is, the location of the gauges has changed. To wire this up so this little light can work, made this trim black so it matches that. And then something interesting. There we go. But there. It basically makes it look like a tunnel. It looks a lot better in person. And the fact that I used yellow reflective tape instead of a mirror finished one, it looks a bit weird. But here it is, complete. Everything is working the way it's supposed to. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that little bell to get all the notifications every time I upload a new video, and see you next time, where hopefully I'll be moving the battery to the back.